There's something about having my own space that makes me feel more relaxed and at peace. I'm the type of person who really values my personal space. And I think that's why I enjoy spending time alone so much. It's not that I don't like being around people, because I do, but having a space where I can just be myself without any distractions is so important to me. I remember when I first moved into my apartment. It was a small space, but it felt like a huge upgrade from the shared dorm room I'd lived in before. In that dorm, I had to share everything with a roommate. We shared a bathroom, a kitchen, and even the living space. At first, it wasn't too bad. But after a while, I started to feel like I didn't have any space of my own. It was hard to relax when I didn't have a place where I could just go and unwind without anyone else around. So when I finally got my own apartment, I was over the moon. I remember the first time I walked into my new place. It was empty, but it felt like it was all mine. I could decorate it however I wanted, arrange the furniture the way I liked, and just make it feel like home. That sense of control and ownership was something I hadn't realized I was missing before. I didn't have to worry about anyone else's stuff or how they liked things arranged. It was my space, and I could do whatever I wanted with it. Now I love coming home after a long day at work and just having my own space to relax. I can do whatever I feel like doing, whether it's reading a book, watching TV, or just sitting quietly with my thoughts. It's my time to recharge. Sometimes I just sit on my couch and look out the window, letting my mind wander. Other times I'll play music and dance around the living room. When no one's watching, of course. It's moments like these that make me appreciate having my own space. What I love about it is that I can make my space exactly what I need it to be. If I want it to be a calm, peaceful place, I can make it that way. If I need a little energy boost, I can fill the space with bright colors or music that makes me feel motivated. Having my own space allows me to set the tone for my environment. I can make it a sanctuary for relaxation, a creative space for work, or just a place where I can let go of everything else. But it's not just about the physical space. It's also about the mental space. Having my own space gives me the freedom to think without interruptions. I don't have to worry about anyone else's thoughts, opinions, or problems. It's a place where I can focus on myself, my needs, and my goals. And when I need to clear my head or process my feelings, I know I have a safe space to do that. Sometimes I think about how different it is when I'm with other people. When I'm at work or with friends, there's always something going on. People are talking, asking questions, or needing something from me. It's not bad, of course. It's just life. But after a long day of being around other people, I always look forward to coming home to my space, where I don't have to interact with anyone unless I want to. Another thing I love is that when I'm in my own space, I can be completely myself. I don't have to worry about how I look, what I'm doing, or what anyone else thinks. I can relax in my pajamas, eat whatever I want, and just enjoy my time without any judgment. It's a freedom that I really value. And I think it's one of the reasons I love having my own space so much. It allows me to be authentic and true to myself, which can be harder to do when you're constantly surrounded by other people. It's not that I don't like spending time with others, I do. But after a while, I need to retreat and recharge. I need to have some quiet time where I can just be in my own company, doing whatever I feel like doing. And that's what makes my space so special. It's a place where I can find peace, focus, and most importantly, be myself. Sometimes when I'm at work, I get this feeling like I need to go home and just be by myself. It's not that I don't enjoy being around my coworkers or friends. It's just that after a long day of talking to people, I crave the quiet of my own space. I remember when I first started working in an office environment. I was excited about the job, but at the same time, I felt a little overwhelmed by the constant noise and conversations. I couldn't wait to get home and have a moment to myself. That was when I realized just how much I needed my own space to recharge. Having my own space also allows me to make decisions without needing anyone else's input. It might sound small, but being able to choose what to eat for dinner or what to watch on TV without anyone else influencing my decision is something I really enjoy. It's empowering to know that in my own space, I get to make all the decisions. There's no need to consult anyone or worry about whether someone else agrees with me. I can just go with what feels right for me in the moment. Another thing I love about my space is that it's my safe haven. When I need to relax or clear my mind, My home is the one place I can do that without any outside distractions. I've spent a lot of time making it a place that feels comfortable and inviting. I have soft lighting, cozy furniture, and things that remind me of my favorite memories. It's a place where I can feel at peace, where I can let my guard down and be completely myself. One of my favorite parts of the weekend is when I can just sit in my living room, curl up on the couch with a blanket, and have a quiet morning. I don't have to rush to get anywhere or talk to anyone. It's just me, my coffee, and my thoughts. I might spend the morning reading a book, catching up on my favorite TV show, or just staring out the window, watching the world go by. There's something so comforting about knowing that I don't have to do anything in that moment. Even though I love spending time with my friends and family, I always make sure I have some alone time too. That's when I feel most recharged. Having my own space means I can do what I want when I want, without anyone else's schedule or needs to consider. I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. In fact, I think that spending time alone helps me be a better friend, coworker, and family member. I also love how my space gives me room to grow. There's something about having a dedicated space where I can just be that allows me to reflect on my day, my goals, and my progress. I've had some of my best ideas sitting on my couch with a cup of tea in hand, just thinking things over. I think better when I'm in a space where I'm not distracted by other people's energy or concerns. It's like I have the mental space to let my thoughts roam freely. Of course, there are times when I have to leave my own space and go out into the world. I go to work, I meet up with friends, and I run errands. But at the end of the day, I always look forward to returning to my space. It's like my little sanctuary where I can hit the reset button. Having my own space is not just about being alone. It's about being in control of my environment. I can set the mood, the lighting, and the atmosphere based on how I'm feeling. If I want to have a quiet night, I can dim the lights and put on calming music. If I'm feeling energized, I can turn up the music and get things done. The flexibility of having my own space allows me to adjust to whatever my mood or energy level is at that time. Having my own space also means that I can take care of my health. I can exercise at home, cook healthy meals, and create an environment that supports my well-being. I don't have to worry about fitting in a workout at the gym or making time for healthy habits around other people's schedules. At home, I can prioritize my health without feeling guilty about taking time for myself.